Hey guys, this is Michael Mock here. For all the homeowners that have a flat roof, say any kind of mid-century modern, this is something I want you guys to take a look at and make sure you guys protect your roof. You can see, look at this. Look at this. This is actually my neighbor's house. This is similar to the type of damage that I had. But you can see that underneath there, let me turn this around. There's actually quite a bit of damage here. You don't want this peeling that occur. It's flaking off already. So what you want to do is to get this repaired for the winter time. Right now it's been raining quite a bit, so I was having some softness here. Because this area here, the water is dripping because there's a low point, and this area of the wood is actually really spongy. You can see this underneath, it's actually quite damaged. It's really spongy here. This is a precursor to dry rot. You don't want that. So what you want to do is for this side, this is my west facing side, I am putting on some sheathing that will look like this. It's metal sheathing on this other west side. Actually, there was less damage, but this is actually getting worked on by a couple of my guys. I want to show you the sheathing, which is actually a 8-inch by 8-inch by these are galvanized rolls. This is the metal sheathing that I'm putting on there. It's going to be primed and painted. This way the water is going to just come down over here, slick off here, just run off. So what we're going to do is we're going to tuck this behind. As you can see up here, there's these nails penetrations. We're going to nail it down. All right, that's a quick tip for people who own Eichlers, any kind of 1950s mid-century modern home. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.